This is why you never turn off the lights in the woods at night. My friends and I thought it would be a fun adventure to go camping in the deep, dark woods. We had set up our tent and started a warm fire. As the night grew darker, we heard rustling noises coming from the bushes. We assumed it was just a wild animal, but as we turned off the flashlight, we saw dozens of glowing eyes staring back at us. Suddenly, the rustling turned into a loud screeching noise, and we saw the creature attacking the trees, leaving deep claw marks on them. We wanted to run, but our feet were frozen to the ground in fear. The creature circled our camp, getting closer and closer, until it was standing right in front of us. We could see its fangs and red glowing eyes as it let out another deafening screech. We knew we weren't going to make it out alive.